guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a luxury sneaker unboxing, Chanel. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I just want to start this video off with a mini disclaimer. This video is in no way to like show off or flex or make anyone feel bad for not having certain things. I'm just really excited about these sneakers and I wanted to share my excitement with you guys. And I know a lot of people like watching luxury unboxings, so that's why I'm doing one. Again, this video is in no way, shape, or form trying to make anyone feel bad or like show off. Like, I'm not trying to show off. I just want to share my excitement with you guys. Through that disclaimer out, we can get right into it. So I am doing a luxury sneaker unboxing, Chanel. I am so excited right now. I'm like so excited to be doing this like designer sneaker unboxing, this Chanel sneaker review. Yeah, so I'm gonna just get right into it. So another thing I will say is that these sneakers were gifted to me by my boyfriend because he's so nice and he loved me so much. He gifted me these Chanel sneakers. Well, he bought them for me. It was a gift, but like it wasn't like a surprise gift. I was there when he bought them. We were at Saks Fifth in New York, so we weren't at the Chanel store, so I don't have like a Chanel bag. It came in a Saks Fifth bag. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep the bag or not. I still have the bag. It's out in the living room, but like, you know, sometimes when you get luxury items, you want to like keep the bag and stuff, but like that bag, Saks Fifth, has nothing to do with like Chanel. This is the box right here. It is so cute. It is just like black and it says Chanel right across. Another thing I will say is that I've already worn these sneakers. I'm sorry guys, I was really excited, and he got these for me for a specific purpose, like to wear on a specific day. So I've kind of already worn these sneakers and I did take pictures in them on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that. I'm gonna like pop the picture up right here. But you know, nonetheless, I'm still gonna show you guys these sneakers. So when I open it up, it just has like the tissue paper on it. The tissue paper is not like designer or anything. It's just regular plain tissue paper. Inside the box you get two Chanel duster bags for your sneakers. They're just black like that. You also get an extra pair of laces, and it just has like the Chanel logo. I don't know if you guys, there we go. Also has the Chanel logo on it, and it says Chanel. It's upside down. It says Chanel right there on the little, I don't know what you call it. Is this paper? I don't think it's paper. No, it's not paper. It's like, I don't know what material that is, but it's definitely not paper. Now I'm gonna be showing you what you all came to see. So this is the sneaker right here. I believe that this is the, what is it called? Yeah, I believe they're the 21C collection. I'm not 100% sure if that's the name. So it is made of suede and calf skin. Look how pretty this is, and this detailing right here. This is actually like open. This right here, like all of this right here is kind of open, so it's a little bit of ventilation. This is the inside of the sneaker. Very cute. This looks very like, I don't want to say this looks very luxury, but it does look very luxury. Like this looks super cute, super comfy. It looks like a handbag for your feet basically. I love the quilted details right here, and I love the open space right here. This is what it looks like in the front, and then this is the bottom of the shoe. It's a little dirty because it did wear it already, but it just says Chanel right there, and then the logo is right here. Super pretty. And then there's like another, I don't know if you guys can see that, there is another logo right here, then another one here, and then two on the inside, basically in the same places, right here and here on the black part. Super cute, super pretty. I love them so much. The inside of the shoe just says Chanel. I have like the shoelaces tucked in because my boyfriend thinks it's cooler to like not tie your laces. So yeah, so it just says Chanel right here on the sole. Yeah, I got this in a size 38. I normally wear like a size 7.5 in like regular sneakers like Nikes and Adidas, but I did just size up a little bit because the 7.5, like it fit, but like it just barely fit. Like it literally fit my foot. There was no like wiggle room at all. So I need my shoes to feel comfortable. I need my shoes to fit comfortable, especially since these were pricey. I forgot who said it, but they were absolutely right. It's not luxury if it's not comfortable. Said that, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna pop that quote up right here. But it's not luxury if it's not comfortable. So if I'm not comfortable in my shoes, there's no point in paying that much money for these shoes. So this is the right foot, super cute. Since these are like very expensive, I care very much now, and I'm really not trying to dirty my shoes, so I'm gonna put this one back. I'm not really sure if you guys would like to see the shoe on my feet. You know what, I'll just film a clip of me wearing the shoes later and just pop it in here so you guys can see what the shoes look like on my feet. I told you before that I got these in a size 38, so when I wear these, I take the soles out of the shoe because it's still a little, it's a little tight. Maybe it's not. Yeah, it's still a little snug, like it's not tight, but when I'm wearing the shoe with the insole in it, it's like very snug. When I take the insole out and then wear it without the insoles, then it fits just like a dream and it's comfy. That's just what I do. So what I do is I just pop the insoles out just like that. I just pop the insole out and then I wear it without the insole just so it's more comfy on my feet. But when I'm not wearing the shoe, I definitely just pop the insoles back in just so I don't lose them, and they just go back in regular. So yeah, I just put the shoes back just so that I don't get them dirty or anything like that, because I be rough on my sneakers, I'm not even gonna lie. And it's a light color. This is the beige color. I do think that they have it in white and black as well, but I opted for the beige just because beige is more of my aesthetic. Like that tan, that nude, brownish things is more my color. Even though I really do like white, but white sneakers is just like a hassle to keep clean, and I'm just not. So it also did come with this right here. It has the barcode and a QR code. So I'm not really sure if you guys can use this to, I'm not really sure if you guys can use this to like scan and find the shoe, like the specific shoe that I got. I'm not 100% sure how that works, or if this is just something that comes with like sneakers from Saks Fifth Ave. I don't know. It was just inside the box as well. So I'm just gonna put that back in the box just in case. So that is it. I was just really excited to share this with you guys. This was my first luxury sneaker unboxing, Chanel. It was my first luxury unboxing, hopefully not my last. Maybe there might be some more. Maybe there might be a bag to match the shoes. I don't know. I'm manifesting. Let's manifest it for me. Do that for me, please. But thank you all so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Make sure you hit that like button. Also go ahead and leave me a comment down below. If you guys didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.